Preparing for Easter. Wow, that's a lot of food.
Yes, I bought a lot.
Why so much?
Don't you remember? Tomorrow is Easter. The whole family is coming.
Oh, I completely forgot. Who is coming?
My mom and dad, your mom and dad,
Oh, right. That's great.
and cousin Mike with his new girlfriend.
Really? I wonder what she is like.
I heard she is nice and very pretty. It will be great to meet her.
That's good.
We also need to clean the house and start cooking.
Don't worry. I'm starting with the cooking.
Thank you.
What should I do first?
Can you help me wash the vegetables?
Sure, I'm on it.
And can you set the table after that?
Okay, no problem.
Perfect. Tomorrow will be a busy day.
Yes, but it will be fun.
I'm so happy we are having the family here.
Me too.
Table reservation. Thai Garden Restaurant, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like to reserve a table
Of course. For when?
for tomorrow,
For how many people?
for two, for me and my girlfriend. It is our anniversary.
Oh, that is nice. We have a table at 4 p.m. and at 6 p.m. Which time do you prefer?
6 p.m., please.
That is fine. Can I have your name, please?
Daniel Miller.
Could you spell that, please?
Yes, M-I-L-L-E-R.
Thank you. So, a table for two tomorrow at 6 p.m. under Daniel Miller.
Yes, that is correct.
Your reservation is confirmed.
Thank you.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes, I do. I didn't see on your website. Do you have pad thai?
Yes, of course. We have pad thai with chicken, shrimp, or vegetarian.
That is great. It is my favorite dish.
Many people like it.
Perfect.
We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Marketing advertisement. Hi, do you have a minute?
Yes, of course.
I need you to prepare a new advertisement.
Okay, what is it for?
It is for our new coffee machine.
Oh, the new model.
Yes, exactly.
Where will we use the advertisement?
On social media and on our website.
Do you want photos or a video?
Photos are enough for now.
How many photos?
Maybe 3 or 4.
Do you want people in the photos?
Yes, one person using the coffee machine.
Man or woman?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, what style do you prefer?
Simple and modern.
Bright colors?
Yes, but not too many.
Do you have specific colors?
White and light blue.
All right.
Also, show the coffee cup.
With coffee inside?
Yes, fresh coffee.
That sounds good.
And maybe a kitchen in the background.
Modern kitchen.
Yes, please.
Do you need a slogan?
Yes, a short one.
I can prepare a few options.
Good idea.
When do you need everything?
By Friday afternoon.
That is a little soon, but I can do it.
Thank you.
Do you have the product description?
Yes, I will send it by email.
Perfect.
And the logo must be visible.
Top corner?
Yes, top right corner.
Okay.
Do you need help from the design team?
Maybe for editing the photos.
I will inform them.
Thank you.
I would like to see the first draft tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes, if possible.
I will try.
Great.
I will start now.
Perfect. Thank you.
Passport photo. Hello?
Hello, how can I help you?
I need a photo for my passport.
Of course. Is your passport expiring?
Yes, it is.
No problem. Please sit on the chair.
Okay.
Please look at the camera and keep a neutral face. Don't smile.
All right.
Also, please put your hair behind your ears.
Okay.
Sit straight and don't move.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Done. Would you like to see the photo?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
I don't like this one.
What is wrong?
My hair looks messy. Can we take another photo?
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you. Let me fix my hair.
Sure.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Great. Please look at the camera again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Done.
Can I see it?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
I like this one.
Perfect. I will print it now.
Thank you. How long does it take?
Just a few minutes.
Okay, I will wait.
Here are your photos.
Great. How much is it?
$15.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Lost boarding pass. Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
I can't find my boarding pass.
When did you last see it?
I had it at security.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I did. It is not there.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, I did. I don't have it.
Don't worry, I can print a new one.
Really? Thank you.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. One moment.
I am sorry for the problem.
That is okay. It happens often.
I was a little stressed.
I understand. Here is your new boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is A15.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Great.
Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice flight. Damaged suitcase. Excuse me?
Yes?
Did you fly from New York?
Yes, I did.
Do you know where I can pick up my suitcase?
Yes, I do. I'm going there now. You can come with me.
Thank you.
No problem. This way. The baggage claim is over here.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Ooh, that is my suitcase.
Super. I see mine too.
Oh no, the zipper is broken.
Really?
Yes, it wasn't like this before.
Sometimes that happens.
What should I do?
You should report it.
Where?
At the baggage service desk.
Will they help me?
Yes, they will. You can get compensation.
Seriously?
Yes, just show them your suitcase and your boarding pass.
Do I need anything else?
They may ask for your ID.
Okay.
They will write a report.
And then what?
They will contact you.
That's good.
The desk is over there.
I see it.
Go there and tell them the zipper is broken.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome.
Overweight bag. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is too heavy.
Really?
Yes, it is 2 kilos over the limit.
Oh no.
You can pay an extra fee or remove some items.
How much is the fee?
It is about $50 at the airport.
That is expensive.
Yes, airport fees are higher.
I will try to take something out.
Of course. You can step aside and repack your bag.
I think I'm ready. I put some things in my backpack.
Okay, please put the suitcase on the scale again.
Here we go.
One moment. Yes, now the weight is correct.
Great.
Your bag is fine now.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
Which gate is my flight?
Let me check. Your gate is B12.
Thank you. Is the flight on time?
Yes, there are no delays.
That is good. I'm sorry about the suitcase.
That is okay. It happens often.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice flight.
Changing seats. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I have a question about my seat.
Of course. What is the problem?
I am sitting in the middle seat and I feel uncomfortable.
I understand. Do you want an aisle or a window seat?
A window seat, if possible.
Let me check.
Thank you.
One moment. I see an empty seat by the window.
That is great.
It is in row 18.
Can I move now?
Yes, but please wait until boarding is finished.
Okay, no problem.
Do you have any bags in the overhead bin?
Yes, I do.
Please take them with you when you move.
Of course.
I will come back and help you.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. You can move now.
Great, thank you.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, this seat is much better.
Good. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Connecting flight. Are you flying to Sydney?
Yes, I am. I have a connection in Vancouver.
Okay. Do you need anything from your suitcase?
Why?
Your suitcase will go directly to Sydney.
Really?
Yes, you don't need to pick it up in Vancouver.
That is great. My layover is 6 hours.
Then you have some time.
Yes, and I don't need to worry about my suitcase.
Exactly. Do you want to take something out now?
Yes, I will take my camera.
Good idea.
I want to take some photos.
Vancouver is a nice city.
I have never been there.
You can visit downtown. It is not far from the airport.
That sounds good.
You also have many cafes there.
Perfect. I can drink coffee and walk around.
Just remember to come back on time.
Yes, of course.
Your next flight leaves from gate C21.
Thank you.
Boarding starts 1 hour before departure.
I will be there early.
Great!
Thank you for the information.
You are welcome. Have a nice flight.
Asking for a new phone. Dad, can I talk to you?
Of course. What is it?
I need a new phone. My phone is old.
How old is it?
5 years. It always turns off.
Oh, I see. That is a long time.
Look, Dad, I like this phone. It is new and fast.
That one is very expensive.
Please, Dad, I really need a new phone.
I understand, but we need to find another one.
Okay, I found another one.
Let me see.
It is cheaper but good.
Yes, that is okay.
Really? Thank you, Dad.
Don't thank me yet. We have to go together and buy it.
Can we go today?
After school.
Yes, I'm so happy.
I'm glad you are happy.
I promise I will take care of it.
I know you will.
Thank you, Dad. You are the best.
You're welcome. Now get dressed for school.